Today we're going to talk about probability method for answering tri-hybrid problems easier. So here's the question. What is the probability that the offspring will be tall and yellow and round? And the alleles given is that. So first is we need to identify the mirror for each alleles. Example, this underlined, and this underlined. Then we're gonna use a Punnett square for identifying the probability of each. Let's not forget the traits of each alleles. So we're not gonna mix things up when doing our Punnett square. So capital A for tall, normal A for short, capital B for yellow, small b for green, capital C for round, and small c for wrinkled. One homodominant, two heterogeneous, and one homorecessive for the A. In this case, we're looking for the trait yellow, so we're just gonna count the alleles that are yellow, which is 3 out of 4. Then just do the same for the heterogeneous B and heterogeneous C, and it's probably the same answer because it's all heterogeneous. So sa C na ta, and kapares naman nga heterogeneous, so and round ra pagipangita, so answer is 3 over 4. Then after that, we're gonna times starting sa heterogeneous A, 3 out of 4 times 3 out of 4 sa heterogeneous B, 3 out of 4. Then the outcome is 27 over 64. That's it. Thank you for listening.